I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the clock app to access alarms, and then check settings, sounds, and haptics so you control the system audio that alarms use. Make sure the side silent switch is up if you want sound. Once done, confirm Do Not Disturb or Focus is off or allows alarms. You're combining app-level alarm access with system-level volume, which ensures adjustments take effect when the alarm fires. Now move to the ringtone and individual alarm controls. Next, set the actual alarm loudness. Open clock, and while an alarm is visible, press the physical volume buttons. iOS links those buttons to ringer and alerts when applicable. Then, in Settings, Sounds, and Haptics, drag the ringer and alerts slider to your target level so alarms ring at that volume. You should also edit the alarm, choose sound, and pick a louder tone or custom ringtone. This ensures both the system level and tone match for reliable wake-up volume. To finish, create a quick 1 or 2 minute test alarm and observe the volume so you verify settings immediately. If the alarm is quiet, make sure Bluetooth isn't routing sound to a paired speaker or headphones, disconnect devices, or toggle Bluetooth off. If problems persist, restart your iPhone. As a last resort, go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone and reset all settings. This preserves data but restores audio defaults. That troubleshooting tip fixes most stubborn alarm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.